Bridge on A. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel. Jumping straight into it, I started off with freshly washed hair. I only had leave-in conditioner inside it. This is my braid out, and I also did a twist out for my leave out. The hair is from VSHOW hair. I co-washed this hair and it smells so good. It's a kinky coily texture V part. This is an 18-inch. The construction of this unit is actually good. The clips are very uncomfortable, though there are many. It's just that they hurt, but they do go all around the perimeter of the wig. To secure it, I tightly press it onto my braids, and then I mush down the clamp until I hear it clamped on it, and then I move the extra hair out the way, and I just comb it in, clamp it, and that's it. Here is after I fully positioned it where I wanted it to be. Yeah, my little baby had woke up, so I just had to go and get her together. Oh, the little baby, I love her so much. Once it was on how I wanted it, I did face framing just a little bit and cut a little bit of layers into it. Here are all the products you need listed on the screen. You can use your own product of gel. I went with the dough. I like this product. You just actually have to know how to use it. First step, section off your hair and completely saturate your hair in water. Then detangle it with your comb, wide tooth, or brush. Off camera, you just see me cutting the ends. I really hated how they look, but I just cut it and made it look good, look better. With the mousse, you're gonna fully saturate it as such, and then I'm going to go in and wash and go it and coil it as well. And I'm gonna just shut up, y'all. I'm gonna stop talking and just let y'all see exactly what I did. Process, I often alternated between my unbrushed and my fingers to detangle, smooth, and just separate the curls. And just when you think I'm done, I'm gonna go back in and separate some more. Now we're getting somewhere, and I'm liking how the individual curls are looking, so I'm just going to go in and move on to the next section. Here we are, and this is how the wig looked, just defined with the curls. Y'all, now look at how much hair I lost. It's not as much, it's not bad, but it is very yucky, very, very yucky. But I just wanted y'all to see, look at all the hair. Now starting off with the leave out, I'm going to fully detangle, and y'all can just fully watch the process. I don't have to say too much. I'm gonna just let y'all watch this as well. now I can start to work into sections, and I'm going to fully saturate it with mousse, and then I'm going to top it off with the gel to hold the curls in place.
And I will give it to you.
Here I'm using the gel, and I'm mainly using the gel because I need a hold. I need a real good hold for my natural hair.
NT, you made this?
So once I'm done with this side, what you do to one side, you do to the other side. I'm going to do the exact same thing. It's going to go mousse, gel, and of course, water was first, okay? Water always first. So water, mousse, gel, and that's it. As you can tell, I'm using my fine tooth comb for my natural hair because I want to rake that product through and get every strand that I can. For my edges, I'm just swooping them in place and molding them how I wanted to, and I also added a little bit of gel to top it off. Alright, y'all, we done made it pretty much to the end. It's still wet, but even in its wet form, it's really pretty. Do not worry about that white cast, y'all. Just trust the process. So keep on watching till the end. To dry the hair, we're going to use my Kinky blow dryer. I'm also going to smooth that hair down and trying to push it down as much as I can while blow drying it on the highest setting. If you have a hooded dryer, go sit under there for about 2 hours if you can. I did use duck clips to stretch my leave out. Remember, do not mind that white cash, y'all. It will disappear soon.
Yeah. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside.
So some time has passed by and it's almost completely dry. Wigs like this are perfect for low maintenance and you want that natural look. This is what you go for. It mimics my hair so well and I love it so much. If you're a person that works out, a mom of the goals, someone that just doesn't even like that wiggish look or doesn't want anything on their forehead, this is a great option if you would like to use minimum leave out. To maintain this unit, or if you just want more tips and tricks, make sure you follow me for more content and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I hope y'all enjoyed this close-up and I love you so much. Bye!
It's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting